Namaste everyone. So till now we completed exercise 14.3 question number 1 to 3 which were about the concept of median. Now let us continue the same exercise 14.3 with question number 4. So given the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. You can see this is length in mm and these are the number of leaves. So he has given one note here. The data needs to convert to continuous classes for finding the median since the formula assumes continuous classes. These classes then change into, means I have to change, given the hint but they won't give in the exam hint for you. I already told you when the class intervals are not continuous, means not exclusive type. So you have to convert into exclusive because in case of mode and median, you be concentrate only in case of mode and median, the class intervals must be continuous because we are finding the model class and the median class. So in that we need to find L, that is lower limit. Because of that, in case of mode and median, the class intervals must be continuous. Now you can see here 126, 127, 135, 136. So they are not continuous. So to make it continuous, what is the gap? 126, 127. Difference is 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So subtract 0.5 from lower limits, add 1.5 to upper limits. Then these inclusive type becomes exclusive. So let me explain. Now you can see here the length in mm, these are inclusive type. Now I converted the class intervals into exclusive type. The only reason to convert into exclusive type because we are taking a median class here. When we take median class, we have to take L, that is lower limit is 144.5. If you won't make into exclusive, you are taking L as 145. So 0.5 difference will come in the answer. So it is necessary to make the inclusive type to exclusive. So subtract 0.5 from lower limits and add 0.5 to upper limit. So these class intervals are converted into exclusive type. Now given number of leaves, that is frequency. As I said in the previous video, observe the column because they won't mention in the column that it is F or LCF. Just they'll give number of leaves. If the number of observations are randomly given, they have not given any ascending order or descending order, it is understood that it is F. Now this is F. Compulsory I should find less than cumulative frequency to find the median class. So first number as it is 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So these are this column. Now we got less than cumulative frequency. Now we need to find the cumulative, that is model class. So to find, median class. To find median class, we have to find the total observations is 40 and what is n by 2, 40 by 2 is 20. Now we have to look in LCF column where 20 falls. So up to 17, it will be in third class interval. From 18 to 29, it will be in fourth. So 20 falls in fourth class interval. So 144.5 to 153.5, this class interval becomes the median class. So L is what? 144.5, F is 12 and CF is 17. And class size, subtract these to any two continuous limits, we get class size, that is 8. Now median formula is median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Substitute all the values. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 divided by 12 into 8. 20 minus 17 is what? 3. 3 by 12 into 8. So after simplify we get 2 here. 144.5 plus 2 is 146.5. Therefore, you can conclude the median length of the leaves is 146.5 millimeter. Next question is question number 5. Given the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Means what? Total number of lamps, that is n, is given 400. And given lifetime in hours 1500 to 2000 till 5000. And this is nothing but frequency. You can check it out. Because the total number of lamps is 400, you can observe that 400 is not at the last. So it is not LCF, it is F. Now I should find the median lifetime of a lamp. Now given class intervals and F, now let us find LCF. So 14 plus 56, 70, 70 plus 60, 130, 130 plus 86, 216, 216 plus 74, 290, 290 plus 62, 352, 352 plus 48, 400. And you can see the total number of lamps given 400 and you got at the last 400. So whatever you did, LCF column is correct. Now it's a time to find median class. How to find median class? 400 by 2, that is 200. So check where 200 falls in the column of LCF. That is up to 130 is in third class interval, and from 131 to 216 is in the fourth class interval. So 400 by 2 is 200 will fall in 3000 to 3500. So 3000 to 3500 becomes the median class. Now 3000 is L, 86 is the frequency of the median class, and CF is the frequency, cumulative frequency of the preceding the median class, that is 130. And the class size is H, that is 500. So now substitute in the formula. Median equals to L plus n minus 2 minus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 3000 plus n by 2 is 200 minus CF is 130 by 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 200 minus 130 is 70 by 86 into 500. 3000 plus cancel and multiply, we get 17,500 divided by 43. And because the denominator 43 is other than 5 and 2 prime factors, so you will get non-terminating repeating. So divide up to 1 decimal, we get 407.2. After adding, we get 3407.2 is the median. Now sixth question. Given 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone dictionary, and then frequency distribution of the number of letters in English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Number of letters 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10 till 19, and these are the number of surnames given, and total number of surnames is 100. So by looking at this, you can decide whether it is F or LCF, because total is not at the last. So we can conclude that this column is frequency. Now let us start the solution of this. Given number of leaves, number of surnames, and I should find the LCF, that is less than cumulative frequency. Now to find less than cumulative frequency, we have to complete the column. Write the first, it is 6 as it is. 6 plus 30, 36. 36 plus 40, 76. 76 plus 16, 92. 92 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. And you can check it out. Total number of surnames is 100, and here also we got 100. Now what is 100 by 2? That is n by 2 is 50. And you can see up to 36 it will be in second class interval. 50 falls in third class interval. So 7 to 10 becomes the median class. So L is 7, F is 40, CF is 36. And the class size is H, that is 3. Now note down all the values and substitute in the formula. We get 7 plus 50 minus 36 by 40 into 3. So we get 7 plus 14 by 40 into 3. Simplify. 7 plus 21 by 20 equals to 7 plus 1.08. After adding, we get 8.08 is the median. Now let us start the last question of this exercise. Given the distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class Find the median weight of the students. Given weight in kg and number of students. So you can see here, by seeing the two columns, that is the number of students, he didn't mention that it is frequency, but by seeing it you can see whether it is F or LCF. So because total is not given at the last, so it is understood it is F. Now let us find LCF. The first number as it is 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28, 28 plus 2 30. And you can see the total number of observation is 30 and here also 30. What is 30 by 2? 15. So the median class lies, that is 15th observation lies in 55 to 60. Therefore 55 to 60 becomes the median class. And L is 55, F is 6, CF is 13. And N is 30 and the class size is 5. So substitute all the values. We get L is 55 plus N by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 divided by F is 5 and class size is H. So 55 plus 2 by 6 into 5, that is 10 by 6. 55 plus 1.6 equals to 56.6. So you can conclude that the median weight of the students is 56.6 kg. So with this we completed exercise 14.3, which were concept on the median. Now the next exercise you have about graphical method, that is graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. But for this year, this graphical method, that is total exercise, is deleted. So with this I complete the topic, that is statistics. Thank you.